The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Multiplication of a single digit multiplier and 3-digit multiplicand. Example, 4 multiplied by 123. We have already done the exercise 123 multiplied by 4. Now in the current exercise, the multiplier 4 is a single digit number, whereas the multiplicand 1, 2, 3 is a 3-digit number. Let us set the multiplier in the left extreme of the abacus. Let us count the number of digits of the multiplier and multiplicand, and we get 4. We have to add 1 for the purpose of abacus calculation, and therefore the first digit of the multiplicand should be set in the 5th column of the abacus from the right. That means 1 of the multiplicand should be set in the 10,000s column. We have 2 more digits of the multiplicand which should be set to the right of the digit 1. That means digit 2 should be set in the thousands column and digit 3 should be set in the hundreds column. Now let us do the multiplication. By now the child must be knowing that in abacus multiplication, the lowest digit of the multiplicand should be multiplied with the highest digit of the multiplier. In the current problem, there is only 1 digit in the multiplier, whereas there are 3 digits in the multiplicand. Let us start with the lowest digit of the multiplicand, which is 3, and multiply it with 4. We get 12 as the multiplied value, and we set 1 in the tens column, and 2 should be set in the units column. Before proceeding further, we have to clear the multiplied number of the multiplicand. That means the number 3 of the multiplicand should be cleared. You can also note that unless this digit is cleared, you can't get a space to the right side of the digit 2 of the multiplicand, and therefore the clearance becomes absolutely necessary. Now let us start with the multiplication of 4 and 2. It is 8, which means you have to treat that as 0, 8. The 0 should be set in the hundreds column and 8 in the tens column. 8 in the tens column. In the tens column, there is already 1 value, and you should simply have to add the 8 there. This is a straightforward addition. Now we have to clear the digit 2 of the multiplicand, and at this stage we are left with 1 of the multiplicand, and let us multiply 1 with the multiplier 4. The result is 4, which should be treated as 0, 4. Here the 0 should be added in the thousands column. That means you have to simply skip that column, and 4 should be set in the hundreds column. Now you can clear the number 1 of the multiplicand. The result is 492. We can note that though the results of the multiplications are same, swapping the multiplier and the multiplicand in the multiplication process gives the child a different experience. This kind of swapping exercises can also be given from time to time to help the child to understand the nuances of abacus multiplication.